Abstract is here to show you some of the latest updates on TangTalk Wireless. I guess we'll jump right in with Juicebox. Juicebox has undergone some updates. It is browser optimized, works on mobile as well. On mobile, this is a touch interface. You can use the classic whiz wheel of the iPod and skim through the menu. You can also use your mouse and keyboard if you're on a desktop like I am right now. I've got some sample music in here for now. You can just pick any old song. I think that one might be broken, actually. Yep, so here's just some examples. And we also added video support as well, so you can play video now. This is Big Buck Bunny. Also, we added in just a couple features like shuffle, loop a song, loop a single song, loop the playlist. So, all the things you're used to with an iPod. So that's the iPod. It also plays when you exit now. It didn't do that before. It used to stop playing when you left the player. So you can now listen to your favorite Tangang songs on your Juicebox from within your TangTalk while you're cruising around doing other stuff. So there's a calculator. I'll show that after, because usually when I touch that, this seems when it locks things up. I want to show you Citrus, also known as Tetris. Still got a bunch of work to do. This is the first implementation of it. I haven't done a whole lot of design work. I've got things to worry about between desktop play, mobile play, things of that nature. But just to at least show you, here's Tetris on my TangTalk. I'm using my keyboard. Pretty simple. If you didn't live under a rock at any time recently, since games have been around, then you should recognize this game. So anyway, there's Citrus. I also added a decentralized to-do list. So this is done through our Rocket L2. So this is saved to your user profile, your wallet profile, without the use of a server. So that's kind of fun. It's on the decentralized graph. Gives you a place to put your to-dos that you don't want anybody to know that you have to do, I guess. And then I thought, asteroids would be fun. And then I thought, it'd be really cool if we did dick with butt asteroids and called it asteroids. So here we are with asteroids. Start a game. Oh, that was close right off the bat. So, I died. Anyway, so here's dig with butt asteroids. Currently working on getting like a leaderboard system together, so that we can be a little competitive internally. If you look over here in the other widgets, you can kind of see where I'm starting to work on that. So eventually there will be an asteroids leaderboard, just like there will be a Citrus leaderboard. And you can see some of the other updates that I'm working on. This is currently an AI integration. It's a little hard to do. I'm not sure what I'm going to do here. But for now, it's kind of a play toy. I'm not sure that this will make it to production, but it's a little sneak peek anyway of what I'm working on. Top users leaderboard. This is going to be tied to minutes. So once we start being able to track accurately your usage of the TangTalk, you'll be able to see who's on the leaderboard and dole out some minutes. And then there's the system status. Shows you the memory usage, what kind of messages you're downloading, session time, wallets connected, network, online, all that kind of stuff. So those are some of those updates. But I did do a lot of work inside the Rocket Chat. So there's just a bunch of test stuff in here for now, but we did add a meme generator. So you can very quickly now make some memes. You can jump back over, pick a new template, whichever one you want, say. And so you can send your memes directly to the timeline like I did with these ones. King Daniel did it better. Changed my mind. You can also click this and share it directly out to X. It's probably not going to clip in the video here, but oh, no, there we go. So you can see it'll actually take a visual picture of the time of the actual post, so you can see everything, the wallet, the time, the meme that was made, and it will prep that and send that out and tag it and make it ready for social media. So there's that feature as well, just by simply clicking and hitting share to X. You can view the user's profile. I've got more work to do here, but this is basically statistics about the user's use. And then we've put some restrictions on audio, video, and sending of files, the different formats, length, size, that kind of stuff. What else? There's some menu stuff here to kind of give you an idea. You can hot swap, I guess you would say, between different wallets. So I can jump over and say, this is my Gobi address. And then if I wanted to, I could quickly jump over to my TangTalk and my MetaMask. You can see I'm connected to Pulse Chain. You can see this is EVM wallet. And so you can see it jumps back and forth depending on what wallet I'm using, which is kind of nice. And then there's the the Pulp browser. So this week in Chia, there's a quick shortcut. We'll jump to this week in Chia, see what Steve's up to over here. Maybe we'll add a new tab. Mojo feed. Ace Fails work. It's very nicely done. Look at this. A lot of people using it. This is great. Don Keckman. Everybody. Ooh, that's nice. I like that. So this is cool, you know, you're integrating a whole bunch of different stuff. And now you can also say, I want to register a domain. So I might want to come and register orange emoji : / I don't know. Well, let's just say sample. Oh, I got some color stuff to do. So sample.tang. I'll just call this sample profile. And then I'll just register for domain already registered. So let's just call it sample 2. Make it nice and easy. Register profile. So now we've owned sample 2, orange emoji : / sample2.tang. So you can see up here in the Pulp browser, all you ever got to do to get there is just type sample 2. It's going to take you directly to, whoop, I got an extra character there. Sample 2 takes you here. So if I say did Dracatus, oh, I gotta spell it right again. See, I end up on the Dracatus one. Or what was some example? Was that the other one I did? Example? No, it doesn't exist. But for the sake of it, we could do, it was the sample 2, and back we go. So there's the profile for sample 2. Then you can bookmark your favorite sites if you want, and those will go to your front page here. And we're working on doing like social shares and all that kind of stuff. You can manage your bookmarks here. This is all kind of in development. This is where you'll be able to do your own sites and so on. And we added a whole bunch of language support. There's 12 or more different languages now supported by TangTalk. And we added backgrounds imagery for your case. So at any point now you can also, I don't know what I have for an image. That's a terrible image. I don't really have anything to use right here, but you can use a image and it will make that your TangTalk phone case. And I think that's the majority of the updates. So thanks for listening and stay tuned for more.